short video today. It's just on social media tips. Have you ever been in a situation that you saw a picture or saw any design online and you liked it? Later you want to show somebody the design, but you forgot the handle that posted it. It can be hurting sometimes. Okay, let me teach you a tip how to know that.
This is what you got to do. Open your Instagram, click on your account, click on this three dot up on your right hand side, go over to activities. Your activities. If you are looking for likes, the items you have liked, the pictures you have liked, then you click on to load. You see all the pictures you have liked for that day, or you can also backdate this to last year. You will see all the pictures, all the activities you have liked on IG. After that, you go back to comment to check all your comment on IG. This is your comment. You can also backdate the comment to check where you have commented last year, last month, and as you can backdate this as 2019, any year you want at all. You can also backdate these items then. And that is for likes. Then from tags, this is for your tag too. You can check all your tag from A to Z. People that have tagged you on all your programs, and you can check that.
If you find this information helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, so when next we post you get to be notified. And please share this video, save it and share with your friends. Like it so other people can run to see it. Thank you very much. Remain blessed and keep growing and freelancing.